Hello. I'm making this short video because I'm having a difficult time understanding the concepts of what I'm trying to do. So basically, I've taken the API and input it into my program, JSON requests, all that, and it works to an extent. Right now, if I try to do results and description, I will show you. If I go Python 3 monster look.py and I put in a random name, zombie, I get file user shiny Android monster look line 11 in module for results in O brackets results. Doesn't work. But if I do this and do actions and description, and I'll run it now, Python, I can't spell 3 monster look.py. Let's do zombie. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Python 3 monster look.py zombie. It works. It shows me the description for the attacks. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Like if I go down right here, I put actions, it's got the bracket, and it does it. It gives me the name, or it'll give me the description of the attack. This is this API I'm using is called where is it? What is it? I can't remember what it's called. But I've been using it. It works certain times. Like if I try to hold on. Let's do it again. Clear Python 3 monster look py. Let's do aboleth, because I know how to spell that. And see, it works. But if I wanted to, now let's say I wanted to make results, which is how it does in the iTunes. It's results. And I do that, and I spelled it correctly, and I'll run the program. Hold on, let me clear this. If I run it again, Python 3 my monster look.py, and I do zombie, it should show me the name, right? No, it gives me an error message. So I'm at a total loss of what I'm doing wrong. Like, I'm taking results and pulling from that, I think. I don't know if for all I know, because if I go to the iTunes one, it lists right here 50. Like if I run this, like if I run Python 3 iTunes.py and let's do Weezer like they were examples, it lists all the track names like this. So I don't understand why when I put results here, it works and it gives me a track name list. But if I do results here and I do desk, which would be like this for description, come on, right there, description, you'd think it would, okay, it's going to pull, hold on, it's going to pull what I needed to pull. But if I do it again, Python 3, monster look.py, zombie, which we know works in the description with an action, but it just doesn't work. And I'm completely lost. Like I have no idea what to do. So any advice would be appreciated. Thank you for watching, and any advice you got, I am all ears.